Welcome to Hard Hat Engineer. I am Varun Patel. In this video, you will learn about various testing and inspection performed during and after the manufacturing of the pipe to ensure quality of the pipe before it dispatched to the site for use. You will learn about heat treatment, non-destructive testing, destructive testing, metallurgical testing, hydrostatic test, visual and dimension inspection, and marking. I highly recommended you to watch my other video about pipe manufacturing process to have a complete understanding. Links are given in the description. Please subscribe to my channel to get regular update on new video and also like and share my video with your friends. Want to request a video? Please write in the comment below. I have a free gift for the first time visitor at the end of video, so please do watch till end. Heat treatment of the pipe is depend on the way it is manufactured. In case of hot finish pipe, no heat treatment is required, as during the manufacturing, pipe temperature remain in the range of heat treatment temperature till the final size and thickness are achieved. Whereas in case of cold finish pipe, heat treatment is required as per applicable ASTM standard. During cold finish process, pipe is either cold drawn or temperature is not maintained in the hot finish range, that is why heat treatment is required. Selection of heat treatment method will depend on the type of material and what material properties you want to restore or further enhance on the existing properties. These heat treatment methods are normalizing, quenching, tempering, solution annealing, stress relieving, or it is a combination of these. Non-destructive testing is carried out on the piping component to ensure the soundness of the body and weld. Entity will check whether any physical subsurface defects such as crack, porosity, or lack of fusion are present. This defect may affect the performance of the component during the service. Most common method of NDT that use are flux leakage examination or magnetic flow detection, eddy current, ultrasonic testing, radiography, magnetic particle test of the pipe end and weld seam, and positive material identification. Ultrasonic testing can be done on full body or only for weld seam, whereas radiography is performed on weld seam only. Magnetic particle test is performed on pipe ends and weld seam. Hardness check is also performed on metal to confirm the standard requirements. In future video, I will try to cover a brief overview of this NDT method so that you have a working level understanding about this NDT method. If you are an inspection engineer, you need to know all this testing in much more detail. Destructive test confirm the mechanical requirement of the manufactured pipe. In destructive testing, a sample from the actual material is cut to perform various tests. The tensile test is done to check yield and ultimate tensile of the material. If required by the purchaser or by standard, high or low temperature tensile tests are also performed. Bend test or guided bend test are used to check integrity of weld joint. Flattening test examine ability of plastic deformation in pipe. Impact test, Charpy V-notch test check the ability of the material to withstand under low temperature condition. Creep test is performed to check long-term effect of continued temperature under constant load on the steel. Metallurgical test confirm the chemical requirement of material grade as per the applicable material standard. Metallurgical tests are normally known as micro and macro testing. Microanalysis or chemical analysis of raw material, product and weld ensure that all the alloying elements are within the range as specified in the material standard. Microanalysis for weld will check proper fusion of the weld material with the pipe material. There are some special tests that also carried out on the material when it is going to be used in aggressive environment. This test will ensure that pipe material is able to withstand in aggressive environment. Some of the tests are grain size that is performed on alloy steel and stainless steel, intergranular corrosion test, ferrite checking, HIC that is hydrogen induced crack, SSC that is sulfide stress corrosion cracking. These tests are performed when it is asked by a purchaser in his purchase specification. Hydrostatic test or hydrotest of the pipe is carried out to ensure that pipe is 100% leak proof. It is also ensure that ability of a pipe to withstand under pressure. Hydrotest pressure is calculated based on the equation given in ASTM A530. This equation is based on the three parameters: pipe OD, pipe thickness and pipe wall stress. Holding time for the hydrotest is minimum 5 seconds as per ASTM A530. Pressure is monitored by computerized system. For welded pipe, the test pressure should be held for the time sufficient to permit the inspector to examine the entire length of the weld seam. Hydrotest can be waived under certain conditions as set out in the standard. Visual inspection is one of the most effective inspection methods used to check overall product quality. During visual inspection, you will check for the overall product finish, you will check for surface imperfection such as mechanical mark, lamination, tear or any other visual imperfection, and also check weld defect such as porosity, undercut, uneven weld beam and excess or underfill of weld material. Acceptance of this imperfection are as per applicable standard. Dimension inspection of pipe is carried out based on the dimension standard. Final dimension of the pipe must conform the standard or it should be as specified in the purchase specification. For welded and seamless wrought steel pipe, dimension requirements are covered in ASME 36.10. For stainless steel pipe, dimension requirements are covered in ASME 36.19. During dimension inspection, diameter, length, thickness, straightness, ovality and weights are checked. Permissible variation depends on the manufacturing standard. You can visit my website hard-engineer.com to know about acceptable tolerance in pipe dimension. Once the pipe is clear all test and inspection, it is marked as per standard requirement. Pipe shall be marked with manufacturer logo, ASTM material code, material grade, size, thickness, schedule number, length, heat number and special marking such as WR for weld repair or NH for non-hydro-tested pipe. This marking can be done by paint or by hard punching. For stainless steel pipe, stenciling is also used. Please note that for carbon steel, no hard punching below 6 mm thickness and for stainless steel, no hard punching below 12 mm thickness. This is all about testing, inspection and marking of pipe. Please subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on new video and also like and share my video with your friends. If you have any question or want to know something different, please write in the comment. And don't forget to check free piping component guide by visiting my website hard-engineer.com. See you soon. Goodbye. Take care.